How can you capture an audience's attention without saying a word? Let's find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Number one, the most important thing probably, you want to enter with a calm confidence. Yeah, you want to have a great upright posture and you want to have calm movements when you enter the room. So many presenters and speakers, just even before they start, they look nervous. Yeah, and the audience impression is that they are nervous. So you got to do the opposite. Yeah, practice your calm confidence from the beginning. Number two, and I'm tricking you here a little bit, this is the one tip, the one strategy I highly recommend, and you've got to say something, okay? Everything, all the others, you get the attention without saying a word. But this one I believe is so critical, so powerful to grab the attention. So here it is. So number two, start with the question. Why a question? Questions hook the mind. It's instant participation, instant involvement. Yeah, you're seen as the leader of the group instantly. So what questions could you ask, right? How many of you would like to know how to improve your work, right? How many of you would like to learn how to lose some weight? How many of you would like to learn how to master AI? There's literally a million questions. There's different ways, right? One of my favorites is ask for a show of hands, get everybody to raise their hand, because that has even more participation from the whole group. Number three is eye contact. Eye contact, yeah? Eye contact. And you want to have intentional eye contact. What does it mean? You want to intentionally look at certain members, certain participants of your speech, your presentation, and connect with them. And it's very important though that you don't crazy stare, but that you have very gentle, soft, connecting, caring eye contact with the audience. Yeah, and kind of each person, you want to look them in the eyes for 2 to 3 seconds. Somebody doesn't pay attention, just look them in the eyes. See what happens. Suddenly, they're glued on you, especially if the rest of your presentation is interesting. So make sure that you have great eye contact. Number four, use gestures strategically. Yeah, just so you know, research has already shown that just using more gestures than most other presenters gives you a giant advantage over everybody else. So just by gesturing a little bit more, you grab the attention more as well. And then sometimes, every now and then, here and there, you include some power gestures, all right? Now, in general, I recommend natural gesturing, okay? Don't rehearse gestures, but sometimes power gestures are good. Yeah, you can, for example, ask the audience, okay, our company, are we number one or are we number two? Come on, everybody, show me your finger, number one or number two, all right? And again, you go back to involvement with the same thing as well. But use gestures more and think about what power gestures could you actually include in your speech or your presentation. Number five, a giant one, is to use props. Yeah, use physical items to grab the attention much faster. Don't just talk about the new strategy. No, bring the journal that you created. Yeah, when you were maybe on vacation, you had this incredible vision for the company and you wrote it all down in this journal and you might even show it to them. It has 10 times more impact than anything else. Yeah, use props, use physical items. They grab the attention without you having to say a word. And lastly, a little bonus tip here, dress to grab attention. Dress to grab attention. Yeah, wear something that grabs more attention. It could be the whole outfit. Yeah, it could be part of the outfit. If you don't feel like you want to do that, an accessory is also a great way to do it, right? I always wear very unique, different types of watches, right? This is one of my orange bezel divers. That's one option. I have a red watch, right? I have certain golden bling bling watches. I also use handkerchiefs when I wear my suit jacket. Not right now because it's hot summer here in South Korea. But again, what accessories could you use to grab the attention without you having to say anything? So comment down below one time, which of these strategies did you find most useful? What are you going to use right away, immediately in your speech or your presentation? Yeah, let me know down below. Also, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.